In 1769, Daniel Boone explored Kentucky, opening the way for westward expansion. In 1774, the first permanent white settlement was established at Harrodsburg. During the Revolutionary War, Boone and other settlers successfully defended the frontier from British and Native American forces. On June 1, 1792, Kentucky joined the Union as the 15th state, the first west of the Appalachian Mountains. During the Civil War, Kentucky declared neutrality but became a contested border state, with both Union and Confederate forces active. In April 1862, many Kentuckians fought in the bloody Battle of Shiloh in nearby Tennessee. In 1926, Mammoth Cave National Park was established, preserving the world's longest-known cave system and drawing visitors from around the globe. The state's economy diversified in the 20th century, moving beyond agriculture to include manufacturing, coal mining, and energy. In 1986, Toyota opened a major auto assembly plant near Lexington, marking Kentucky's growing role in the global automotive industry. In recent decades, Kentucky has gained attention for its bourbon industry, horse racing traditions, and cultural heritage, while facing challenges related to healthcare, education, and rural development.